Lesson 26. To be supposed to. What are you supposed to do? Celine, 39 years old, France. Oh no! I've just remembered that I'm supposed to drive my cousin Adele to the airport in less than an hour. Why didn't she remind me about it yesterday? She is supposed to be here in 15 minutes, and I'm still in bed. She can't miss her flight to New York City because she is supposed to attend a very important business meeting on Wall Street tomorrow morning. She is supposed to give a presentation to a potential investor, and it is a huge chance to develop her career. The plane is supposed to take off in 2 hours, so I must put on some clothes and run out the door now. But where is Adele? Doesn't she remember that we are supposed to meet at my place in 10 minutes? She isn't answering her phone, so I'm starting to worry a bit. I hope she's okay, and she'll be here soon.
Piotr, 28 years old, Poland. I'm supposed to meet my new boss tomorrow, and I must admit that I'm more nervous than I've ever been. I'm so stressed that I might quit my job just to avoid the meeting. I know that it sounds stupid, but I've heard many stories about the new boss and they all are quite scary. I'm trying to stay calm, but I'm worried that I'll say something stupid or won't know how to behave. We are supposed to discuss my future at the company, and I'm supposed to present my ideas for a new project. What if she doesn't like any of them? I really want to make a good impression on her, but I'm not sure how. My colleagues think that I should just be myself and shouldn't try too hard. I guess that they are right. I'm supposed to be at work an hour earlier tomorrow because of the meeting, so I'll probably go to bed soon and try to relax. Wish me luck.
Michael, 47 years old, Canada. I'm supposed to perform in front of 5,000 people in 3 hours. I shouldn't be nervous because I have done it before, but I'm not feeling well today. I have a sore throat and I'm starting to get a headache. My makeup artist is supposed to be here soon to get me ready, but I'm not sure if I can go on stage. This is supposed to be one of the most special concerts of my career, and I don't want to disappoint anyone. Thousands of people have paid a lot of money to see me, so the last thing I want to do is cancel the show. My parents and siblings are going to be in the audience too, and my wife and I are supposed to give an interview together after the show. I have to go out there and perform. I'll take some painkillers and hope for the best.